Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the Tesla steering wheel. Wear an anti-static wrist strap, disconnect the 12V battery, and wait 5 minutes before removing the airbag. I'll walk you through bolt locations, torque specs, and ribbon cable care in plain language. Follow each step slowly, keep fasteners organized, and double-check connections before reassembly to avoid costly mistakes. Start by centering the wheel and turning the steering to lock position. Use a plastic trim tool to reach the hidden clips behind the rim and release the airbag fasteners. Support the airbag as you disconnect its wiring harness and lay it face up on a soft towel. Take clear photos of every connector and fastener location to make reassembly simple and error-free. After removing the airbag, mark the shaft and wheel to preserve alignment. Loosen the center bolt while holding the wheel and then remove it straight off the splines to protect the clock spring. Transfer or reconnect ribbon cables and the steering angle sensor carefully, avoiding kinks. Align marks, seat the new wheel fully, torque the center bolt to spec, reconnect the airbag, and verify steering angle calibration before driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.